Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. We got a big day planned ahead of us today. We've got our BH2 Rally, which is in Beverly Hills. After the rally, we're going to be headed straight back to Seattle. I want to say we'll be able to make this in one shot, but given that it's 8 o'clock right now and we got to do a whole rally on top of our 8-10-hour drive back to Seattle, I don't think I'm going to be able to do it. Probably going to need a hotel over in Oregon maybe. Today's going to be crazy. There's going to be tons of supercars at this BH2 Rally. I'm pretty sure DDE is supposed to be showing up too. I've also seen on their previous rallies, they've done a lot of burnouts and donuts at the top. So I'm going to be definitely recording the whole thing. So we're going to be headed to Beverly Hills right now. We'll see you guys when we get there. How's it going? Andre.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Here's your driver's packet.
All right.
And then if you'd like a sticker, we're going to take Cannon up when we leave.
Okay.
So I think it'd be easiest for you just to park on Cannon.
Yeah. Okay, gotcha.
It's
Thanks.
all good.
All right, here we are at BH2 Rally. So we came here a little early so we can get some footage of cars rolling in. There's a lot of YouTubers here. I saw vehicle versions over there, F-Spot's right there. I'm sure DDE's here somewhere, or they'll be here soon. If you haven't watched the Supercars takeovers, Los Angeles streets and parking lots, here's the Viper that was right next to me. This thing is insane. So not only is this rally about to take all day, but we also got everything packed in the R8 ready to go home. All of our luggage is not only in the front, but we also got the whole back seats right behind the seats packed with our clothes and everything. We're not really trying to race anybody over here because we're pretty heavy. We're about 3 people overweight, which is not good for speed. But this rally will have some pretty crazy going on. There's tons of supercars here already. There's race cars. This thing's on race gas right over there, that Viper. That thing's insane. I think I need to start looking at the directions just in case I get lost because I'm not from around here. When we arrived, we got our packet full of directions, words, as well as pictures, and a big old sticker. But I'm not sure where it's gonna go, and I'm not even sure if I want to put it on my car because it looks like a straight magnet to police. Oh, look who it is. Hey! How's it going? How's it going, dude? It's going great. All right, I'll see you soon. So we're about 5 minutes in and we're going down canyon right now, and I think someone crashed because we haven't really moved in the last 5 minutes. So there's a whole big line behind us. Looks like we're moving finally, so we're gonna keep recording and see what happened. I really hope nobody crashed, but at the same time, this road did not have traffic on it before we left, and now we're pretty much backed up all the way down this hill. That's why you guys always got to remember to stay safe when you're driving on rallies like this. I really hope they're all right. Let's have a crash. What is going on here? The Mercy's pulled off to the side of the road. I wonder if they broke down. Snapped another axle. I hope he's gone. Damon's car is stuck on the side of the road. He's not in it. Oh, look what's going on up here. Tow trucks? What happened? So rest in peace to Blue Beauty's Huracan. Sad to see it just demolished like that. The rally goes on. We didn't really want to stop because then it's just causing more of a traffic jam than there is there already. So we're gonna keep going to the end. Alright, so some pretty crazy stuff has happened so far on our rally, and we're not even at one of the regrouping spots. We pulled out to one of these turnout spots because we're trying to get some footage of some people flying around this corner all the way up here. Maybe someone can get sideways and hopefully not crash into us. A few groups have actually made it all the way to the top, I believe, but now it's just a waiting game until we can get some content for this turn.
My girlfriend loved your rap.
Oh, thanks.
She just wanted to take a picture with it.
Oh,
with
go
the rap.
I like your rap. I like this gold.
Thank you.
Alright, we made it to the burnout pit. There's actually a lot more cars up here than I thought. They got drones flying around, all the way around. On these last couple turns that you guys seen on the road right down here, these two Porsches were on my... These things are quick. But after seeing Blue Beauty's Huracan get demolished, we didn't want to add to another blue collection on the tow truck, so we decided to take it easy, take the cruise, and not try to get too rowdy out here. Liberty Walk Aventador. It got really hot, so we decided to get in the car that has AC, start heading down, and maybe we'll see some more people down the road. So we're headed down to the bottom right now. DDE didn't make it up here. See if we can link up at the gas stations down there. So we went down to the gas station, but it was jam-packed with cops, and we're not trying to receive any attention down there. So now it's time for the long haul. We're going to be going back up to Seattle right now. So that's going to be it for this episode. We'll see you guys on the next one.